Ever used a library like EventBus or Auto on Android? Behind the scenes, they use annotations, reflection, and thread pools to decouple components. In this compact example we'll build our own event bus, with @subscribe, @event, synchronous and asynchronous dispatch, in under 350 lines of pure Java. @subscribe marks a method that wants to receive events. The optional thread mode tells the bus whether to invoke the method on the posting thread, posting, or on a background thread, async. @event decorates the event class itself, optional, just for clarity. The thread mode enum defines the two dispatch strategies we'll support. This tiny holder keeps a reference to the subscriber object, the reflected method, and its desired thread mode. It also makes the method accessible and provides a simple invoke helper. This keeps the main bus logic clean. Register scans every method of the subscriber object. For each @subscribe method with exactly one parameter, it identifies the event type, reads the thread mode, wraps everything into a subscriber method, and stores it in a map. We use copy-on-write ArrayList so that the collection is safe to iterate even if other threads modify it later. Unregister walks through all event lists and removes any subscriber method whose subscriber reference matches the one we're removing. This guarantees the subscriber will never be called again. The remove if operation is safe on copy-on-write ArrayList. Post retrieves all subscriber methods for the events class. For posting mode it calls invoke safely directly, which handles any reflection exceptions gracefully. For async it submits a task to a cached thread pool, keeping the posting thread free. This is the core of any event bus, type-based routing with configurable threading. Message event is a simple POJO tagged with @event, optional. Listener has two subscriber methods, one sync, one async. In main, we create the bus, register the listener, post an event, and immediately unregister. A second post verifies that the unregistered listener receives nothing. The thread.sleep ensures we see the async output before the program ends. Both methods are called, the async one runs on a different thread, notice the thread name. The second event is never printed because we unregistered the listener. The event bus works exactly as expected, you've built a complete event bus from scratch. Understanding this annotation-driven, reflection-based dispatch unlocks the pattern behind countless Android and enterprise libraries. Now you can extend it with priorities, sticky events, or even a fully fledged reactive stream.